Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D cartoon animation using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. I would like to recommend you to use Google AI Studio, and then we can generate a video with VEO. You can go to the generate media here, but before it you can sign up to this website. You can use your Google account, and here I have signed up to this website. Then I'm going to go to the generate media, and then I'm going to choose VEO. Okay, and then you can describe the video that you want to create, and I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, so I'm just going to paste my prompt. I'm going to ask the AI to create magical forest in 3D cartoon style, and then we can choose the aspect ratio here and also the video duration and the resolution. Once you're done setting up your video, you can click on run, and then the AI will generate a video for you. Okay, and the video is ready, and I'm going to play it to show you. This is how the video looks like. That's so cool. And if you want to download the video, you can click on these three dots and then select download, and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!